Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to add new email on Luno account. So first we're going to open the Luno app. You guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then next you're going to click on the profile section on the top left corner. Then next you're going to click on settings. Then click on email. Then click on add new email. Then you guys are going to insert a new email. Then once you're done, you're going to click on next. So they're going to send you instructions to verify your email. Then if you guys go back and see it again, as you can see, the new email is added, but as you can see, it says unconfirmed. So go to our email and confirm it there. They'll send us a verification code. So now as you can see, it's confirmed. So this is how you basically add a new email. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.